I'm WSA 9 meteorologist Topper Shutt. We are tracking the remnants of Ida, and here's the deal. Tuesday is your chance to get some stuff done and prep for Ida, because essentially we're looking at late Wednesday evening and then overnight Wednesday for the metro. So no real surprise here. Everyone is under a flash flood watch in the DMV. Now, it does not go into effect until 11 a.m. on Wednesday, and it goes through 8 a.m. on Thursday. 2 to 4 inches of rain. Yeah, that's not a mistake. Isolated 6 inches possible. That would lead to massive flash flooding if it were to happen along I-81. So remember, never drive across a flooded street or road, or try to cross it by foot either. 6 inches of fast-moving water can knock you off your feet. 12 inches will move your car. Even 18 to 24 inches will move a truck. And remember, if you try to cross a street that's flooded, a road that's flooded at night, you have no idea how fast it's moving, how deep it is, and if the road's even still there underneath the water. So just don't do it. Turn around. Don't drown. All right, so here's the deal. Here come the remnants of Ida through Tennessee Valley, turns more eastward, gets pretty much on top of us by 2 a.m. on Thursday morning. So this is overnight Wednesday. It clips southern Jersey and moves on out to sea, staying south of the Cape. So again, by morning, the morning commute on Wednesday is fine. Even by noon, this is noon on Wednesday, all the showers are well west of us, all the heavy stuff is well west of us, but it moves in quickly. By 6 p.m., it's going to be a mess trying to get home, especially driving out 66 and also going out Route 7. By the time we get to midnight, it is still hammering most of the metro with some heavy rain. But the good news, by the time we get to morning, 6 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, this model I think is too slow. I think we're in great shape. A few leftover showers, and then boom, we got a mostly sunny day heading our way on Thursday, and it'll be cool and without much humidity. So, some heavy rain in the mountains on the morning on Wednesday, but the morning commute's fine in the metro. Probably be dry, actually. Even by lunchtime, heavy rain mainly along and west of I-81, light showers in the metro at worst. But then by evening and Wednesday night, here comes heavy rain, severe storms are possible, all of the DMV. That includes everybody. Isolated tornadoes. Yes, a better chance south and east, but everybody has a chance for an isolated tornado. Stay off the roads if you can after 6 p.m. and keep your devices charged, because some of us are going to probably lose power. European model on the right, GFS on the left. Notice the axis of heavy rain more to the west of I-81 on that model, but on the European, it's on either side of I-81, a little further east. I like the European model right now. Let's go through some maps. This is the GFS numerical. This is what it looks like spelled out. It still has 2 inches of rain in D.C., only 3 inches in Hagerstown, only about 1 3/4 down toward La Plata. So that is the GFS. Now, we're going to move on to the NAM, a little more aggressive, higher amounts eastward. We have almost 3 inches in D.C., over 2 inches in La Plata, and up to 6 inches in Hagerstown. That would be devastating. That would cause massive flash flooding during the day on Wednesday night, and then all that's got to drain into the Potomac. That means massive river flooding possible 24 to 48 hours later. All right, one more model. This is European spelled out. Notice it has only 1.5 inches in D.C., but close-in suburbs, Gaithersburg, Leesburg, it has over 4 inches. So I think a blend between the European and the NAM is probably the way to go. I think we're going to see flooding in the metro. And if I had to kind of digest all the models, I came out with this. Flooding is likely 3 to 6 inches of rain just west of Manassas, Leesburg, and west, including Frederick. But in terms of the I-95 corridor, still 1 to 3 inches possible, isolated tornadoes. And then southern Maryland, across the Delmarva, strong storms, but less rain, but still isolated tornadoes possible. So what can you do? Clear your downspouts, your gutters, and storm drains. Check your sump pump, make sure it's plugged in. And then keep your car with a half a tank or more of gas, because you might, if you have to be on the roads Wednesday night, you may come across a flooded street or a downed tree. Again, a little extra gas, good thing to have if you try to get home.